Hey developers, how are you? In this video, we're going to see how we can make our terminal look great with Oh-My-Posh. Link to written tutorial and codes are available in the description. First, let's go to the official site of Oh-My-Posh. We can find the installation instructions here. Now, I'll copy this command and go to terminal. I recommend opening the terminal on administrator mode. Switch to PowerShell and paste the command. Hit enter. Wait for some time, it will install Oh-My-Posh. Let's verify if it's installed by going to environment variables. After it's installed, we are now going to open the configuration file by this command. Now paste the lines and replace the username with your desktop username. You save it. Restart terminal. If it shows this error, paste this line and hit enter. After this, restart terminal again. Now we will install Auto Suggestion module. After installation done, paste the following lines in the config. Now download and install the fonts from given link. Set the new font in terminal settings. Now let's configure VS Code. Go to Settings and search Terminal Font. Set the font to New Font. That's it. Now we can enjoy the beauty of Terminal with the power of auto suggestions. Hit the like and subscribe button if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.